Dongguan Bai Wo Packaging Products Company Limited, grown from the original small printing workshop in Dongguan to a leading global provider of integrated packaging and printing solutions. One-stop value-added solutions from concept design to product delivery, full lifecycle production and service solutions to efficiently and successfully meet customers. Mainly produce all kind of packaging boxes for lots of industries like jewelry, cosmetic, electronic, wine, chocolate, clothing. We export more than 100 countries and partner with lots of famous brands. Trust is the key for business by our outstanding advantages below. 1. Sales team. Fast and effective communication. 20 well-trained and senior sales will help you get right packaging solutions immediately and update production status with photos and video all the time. 2. Design teams. We offer free design service. 3 experienced designers are good in creating and marketing. They will help to make your concepts become impressive designs and make your products unique and outstanding. 3. Sample department. 8 years skilled sample makers, digital printing machine, and auto laser cut machine to make your boxes prototype and new designs become reality in 3 to 5 days. 4. Quality control. Strictly control from raw material to every steps of the production flow. Our QC team will 100% check all the products before packaging and shipment. 5. 100 skilled workers and well equipped with automatic shaping machine, auto foil stamp machine, Roland and Heidelberg printing machine, auto gluing machine. Make sure to meet fast delivery demand. Do the right packaging for you. Looking forward to start a win-win business and become your sincere, reliable friends and trustworthy supplier in China.